always shows up. How do I write that one?
F plus N equals 22.
I mean, that thing's just is so awesome. It won't always be true, but it will often be true. What's the second equation deal with?
The amount of money.
The money. So I got a total bills equation. And we talked about this earlier this semester. When you set up an equation, the idea better be the same everywhere in that equation, or else how the hell? You can't have money equal goats. Let's not get into that. So how much money for every $5 bill?
$5.
Holy shit.
So it's 5F
So it's 5F
plus O or N
plus 1N
equals 50.
equals 50. So money plus money equals money.
You just subtract the dang F there.
Do what now?
You just subtract the F and then you get.
All right,
what's
so
it?
now we're going to solve this using elimination. Elimination, not substitution.
Yeah.
And you can see why having an equation like number 1 kicks a lot of ass for elimination, because now you have 2 coefficients of 1 that can become any number you want them to be. So if I wanted, in fact, if I want to kill the ends,
Multiply the top one by -1.
Yeah. That's like,
like
wow.
you're like fighting off imaginary.
Oh, no.
I know. I was like seeing something else happen. Sorry, I didn't mean to
knows
point
where
you
the
out.
wheels are.
Everybody look, no, stop. So if I take, you could multiply the first one by -5 and kill the f's, or you can just multiply by -1. What do you get when you multiply this by -1?
Negative F
No, you're not.
Negative f
minus N
minus n
equals -22.
negative 22. Now when I add those together, what do I get?
4F
4f
equals
equals 28.
Yeah.
And divide by 4, I get f is 7. What's that mean? 7
$5 bills.
$5 bills, y'all. God,
$35.
hey, fellow kids.
Big spender.
$5 bills. What about the $1 bills? How many? So I can plug it in here, right?
15.
7 plus n equals 22, so n is 15. So
35 plus 15
15
is 50.
$1 bills. I said it without saying it.
That feels empty, you gotta say it.
Don't worry, you're part of the generation.
I'm just gonna let it hang out there for you.
You're okay. You're not creamy.
It's like when I was in middle school, one of my science teachers would give a presentation. Every time he changed a slide, it would go ka-ching, and he goes, cash money.
Oh, that's bad.
That was
That was bad.
That is pretty bad.
the most entertaining class
All
ever.
right.
I had a teacher in middle school who was a science teacher. His name was Mr. Bones, which is a great name for a science teacher. And one time I gave a presentation on phosphorus, and he was crying because he was laughing so hard. And that doesn't have anything to do with anything other than just saying I had a teacher named Mr. Bones.
That was the key, I got you.
Yeah, that was the key.
There were tears of joy.
I guess. Maybe he hated me so much.
Any more stories? I'm done with my stuff.
Let's just fill this up with stories. So.
No, I'm gonna leave. We'll talk about hot dogs. I'm hungry.
You guys are great, but I'm hungry.
What about pizza?
Yeah, maybe I'll do some pizza.